Hello everyone. I'm Alfifa Turizkia. Will explain a material about communication. Happy listening. Principles of effective communication. Effective communication is the ability to convey a message clearly and be understood by the recipient correctly. This involves conveying information without confusion, avoiding misunderstanding, and ensuring that the message conveyed can be received as intended. Effective communication is based on several key principles: openness and honesty, active listening skill, consistency and regularity, empathy and understanding, and proper choice of words and expressions. Barriers to overcoming communication. Communication barriers can occur in all communication contexts. For example, on interpersonal communication or interpersonal communication, mass communication, and organizational communication or group communication. Communication barriers can cause communication to be ineffective. Number one, psychological barriers. There are many types of physiological and mental problems that may affect our communication. Stage fear, phobia, depression, and speech disorder. 2. Linguistic barriers. The language barriers is one of the main barriers that limit effective communication because every major region has its own language. Difficult for maximum people to communicate with people from different regions. Number 3, physical barriers. Physical barriers are the most obvious barriers to effective communication. Some of the physical barriers are noise, closed door, faulty device. 4. Emotional barriers can blur the decision making capabilities of a person and limit the effectiveness of their communication. Number 5, cultural barriers. Due to globalization, any large organization has people from several parts of the world with different cultures, religions, drink, pets, dressing sense, food, and behavior change drastically from one culture to another. Number 6, attitudinal barriers. Attitudinal barriers are behaviors of perceptions that prevent people from communicating effectively. Attitudinal barriers to communication may result from personality conflict, poor management, resistance to change, or a lack of motivation. 7. Physiological barriers could also prevent effective communication between the various channels of an organization. Some example: shallowness of voice and dyslexia. These are not crucial and can be easily removed. Number 8, technological barriers. Technology is developing fast, and as a result, it is difficult to adapt to new technologies. In business, organizations encounter several technological barriers in communication. For internet connection, outside hardware, technological barriers of communication can hamper the business of not addressed on time. Technological barriers can be overcome if the right training is given. Strategies for overcoming communication barriers. Effective communication is essential for building and maintaining strong relationships. However, communication barriers can arise, hindering effective communication and leading to misunderstanding and conflicts. Common communication barriers include language difference, cultural difference, emotional barriers, and physical barriers. Fortunately, there are strategies individuals can use to overcome these barriers and improve their communication skill. One effective strategy is active listening. This involves giving one's full attention to the speaker, avoiding distraction, and clarifying any misunderstanding or uncertainties. Active listening can help to build trust and respect in relationships. Well, also improving the accuracy and effectiveness of communication. Another strategy is using improved body language and tone of voice. Nonverbal cues, such as facial expression and posture, can convey meaning and emotions in communication. By using appropriate body language and tone, individuals can reinforce their verbal message and avoid misunderstanding. It is also important to be aware of cultural and individual difference in communication styles. By recognizing and respecting these differences, individuals can avoid making assumptions or misunderstandings and find common ground in communication. Examples of communication barriers experienced. An example of a communication barrier that I experience is being nervous when speaking in front of many people. The thing I do is I take off my glasses so I feel confident because I can see the people clearly in front of me. See you and thank you.